In a saucepan, add in 3 tablespoons of sugar. And 2 tablespoons of water. We're going to cook this until it gets caramelized. Keep stirring till it turns to golden brown. If you step away from it, it could get burnt quickly and you wouldn't like it. You have to do it again. So stay close to it. When it turns to golden brown like this, off the fire and pour it in your baking dish. This is what you're looking for. Set it aside. In a separate bowl, add in 2 eggs. Three tablespoons of sugar. You can adjust the sugar by yourself. Mix it. Don't over mix it. As soon as everything comes together, stop mixing it and add in the milk. This is 300 grams of milk. I used evaporated milk. You can use full fat milk or any milk of your choice. Mix it well and add in vanilla extract. When done, sieve it. Cover it with aluminium. In a saucepan, add in the sand. This is sand. Spread it evenly. The hotness from the sand or the heat that comes out from the sun is going to bake the pudding. So it's like we're creating a kind of oven here. Put the pudding on top of the wire rag. Cover it with the lid and let it cook on a medium flame for about 30 minutes. So guys, it's done baking and mine bake around 25 minutes. Leave it to cool about 20 minutes. Cooking with the seasoned bakes it really well, and I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to leave suggestions. Comment in the comment section below. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Guys, just look.